To replace the ice chute gasket retainer in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a putty knife. For easier access to the retainer, we recommend removing the ice compartment door by using the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the door's hinge to the ice compartment liner. Now use the small flathead screwdriver and the putty knife to depress the 16 retaining tabs to release the ice chute gasket retainer from the door. Peel the gasket off the old retainer. To install the new ice chute gasket retainer, align the gasket on the new component, making sure the small alignment bumps in the retainer are inserted into the holes in the gasket. Position the assembly on the door and snap it into place. Reinstall the door by aligning the hinge on the liner, then thread the 3 screws to secure.